In this video, I am applying touch-up paint to the fridge, spreading wood chips, and hand digging a trench for the flexible pipe from my garage downspout. If you only want to see a specific project, skip to the time shown here. Thinking that's not shook up enough, so we'll shake some more. This project is going to be about spreading some wood chips. I've been chipping a lot the last couple weeks, so I want to clear out my wood chip pile some so I have room for more wood chips. The plan is to clear out this area right in here, and then I got a bunch of fresh chips there I can push over the top into here.
Get on?
Yep. do it, I want you to get it off of this pile here. It comes from here and it goes into the wagon. Here, let me loosen some up for you. Hang it, hold on down low, stand where I am, and then pick it up and put it in there. There you go. You got it. What you'll find out is the farther back you go, the heavier it is. The up closer, the lighter it is. Let me know when you want me to get you some more knocked down. I'm going to get some more files.
Stay in great position. Still on. Camera's on, Daddy. Camera's on.
You want to scoop more or you want me to scoop? You want to be the camera lady?
I'll just
Once I get it filled up, you can carry the camera line,
Oh,
put
wow.
in the wheelbarrow, or the cart.
What even is this stuff anyway?
See all that stuff I put in the pine table?
Yeah.
Sticks and pine cones?
Yeah.
That's what it is. All chopped up.
Huh. It looks so dirty though.
Yeah, that's because it is.
It's dirt with wood scraps.
Well, the wood starts decomposing, and when it decomposes, it turns into dirt.
Huh. That makes sense. That kind of sounds like compost.
Yep. That's the compost over there.
Wow. It looks
These are
very
wood
black.
chips. This is coarse. This is like sand. This over here is more like powder. Yeah, that's kind of black.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll push the wagon over and you can follow me with the camera. You want me?
I'm ready. Following Pop. How long are you going to be doing this?
I'm going to do one more cartful and then I'm going to work on that side over there.
The camera's red, but yes, it's working. I mean, I gotta stay here because if it tires down, then I'm just gonna. Is this gonna be like an hour that you're gonna do this?
It'll take about 5 minutes to get this.
You've done this for about 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Right. Okay, hopefully that's the older stuff. Now I'm going to push newer stuff back in there. Like this stuff on the right is new. Trying to establish some kind of first in, first out. Since I got the new gutters in, I want to try to put some on the ground here where the rain off the roof created a little ditch. That's a wrap for this project. Second thought, since I'm going right past the rock pile, I might as well take these with me. Sometimes if you get the right angle, you can just push on it
Yeah.
with your back foot and use your legs to push. You'll figure it out. If you wiggle it, okay. You see? And the pipe's 4-inch. A lot of this stuff is 9 or 10. So if you go 9 or 10 on that shovel, it's 10 is all the way up here. So if you're up maybe an inch from this flange here, you're probably deep enough.
I still got more to go.
The other thing I learned when I put this, my hand against here, use my legs up and down, and push it with my legs. A lot more if you just trying to do it with your arm. Find it?
Yeah, it sounds close. Found it. Oh, that thing is tiny.
That's a little one?
That's a little one.
Huh. Usually we got a big one.
On this
Straight pole?
straight pole. I saw a mark fall off.
And saw where it came from.
Yeah.
You know, I kind of jump on it, but keep this foot down for the balance and then rock it. See, I got underneath of it, so if I just pull now, I'll break the shovel. pull back up.
That was a nice job.
Feel a little bit of time off. I think we'll go a little faster. The thing is, stand behind it. You get a lot more. You don't have a lossy based on angle. Here.
Yeah. I've seen that standing behind the shovel thing.
Yeah.
This is basically all we've been doing in physics is calculating forces,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm using, by
At
doing
an-
this,
at
it's
an
going
angle.
more,
So
well,
you,
just more of the force is going horizontally, and I don't want that. I
and
don't
it
need
cuts
that.
it down by half or 20% or 30% or
Yeah.
whatever the number. I'm sure you calculate the numbers.
Yeah.
Tell you what, push it up and then I'll pound this in. I was going to get real fancy and take that white marker, like -2, -4, -8. wasn't thinking when I dug into the pipe coming from the drain out in the driveway. So now I'm going to have to patch that too. What I'm trying to do is, here's my other line, comes here, and I'm trying to plan out. At first I thought I would run this line on this side, but yeah. So, and make excuses to say, yeah, that's all right. I got my this video. You tell me, you have 10.5 hours now, or?
Yeah.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. In future videos I will be back working on my pond and more trenching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any suggestions to improve my videos, let me know in the comments. This is the existing pipe. Comes through here and comes in like this.